Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to fix microphone on Windows 10 computer. So if your microphone is not working, then we have to troubleshoot this issue accordingly. So the first method is to right click on the Windows start menu and then click on the settings. Click over here and then type microphone. Click on microphone setup. So in the microphone setup you have to click on get started. So now it has started detecting problems. If there are any problems, it will give you the solutions or it will check your microphone if it is working or not. So there are two options, Cortana can't hear me and I can't hear Cortana. This means we have to select this option, Cortana can't hear me. When I speak, Cortana doesn't respond. So I have to click this option and then it will again start detecting some problems. Now we have to select the setup the mic, click on setup the mic, and then this is a mic calibration test. We have to click on next over here. Now we have to read this text. Peter talks to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to. So you can see microphone is now detected with this device and it has given me the solution and it has fixed my problem. So I will go ahead and close the troubleshooter. So this problem is fixed for me, but if you have any issues, we are going to see different troubleshooting method. So we are going to click on home and then click on update and security in the settings. We have to click on troubleshoot, and in the troubleshoot we have to click on additional troubleshooters. In the additional troubleshooters you have to click on recording audio and then click on run the troubleshooter. So troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. If you have any problems, it will try to fix your problems and it will give you the results like it is fixed. Currently it is not having any problems, so it is showing me that troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. So I'm going to close the troubleshooter, and next step is to click on speech and then click on run the troubleshooter. So it will also start detecting problems. If there are any problems, it will fix the problem. So this is the same process we followed in the previous step. So click on Cortana can't hear me, then set up the mic and then click on next. Peter talks to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to. So the problem is fixed and I'm going to close the troubleshooter. Scroll up and then click on this playing audio and then click on run the troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems, and then click on no, do not open audio enhancements, and it will again start detecting problems. So this step also couldn't find anything on this computer, so I'm going to close the troubleshooter. So if these methods doesn't works for you, then you have to right click on the start menu and then click on the device manager. In the device manager you have to click on sound, video and game controllers. You will find the audio devices over here. If you have NVIDIA graphics card, then you will get NVIDIA related device. So you have to right click on that and then click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on this option. Click on the driver available for the device and then click on next. Click on yes. So the device has been installed and then click on close. So check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, we have to try with another method. Another troubleshooting method is to type sounds in the search box and then click on sounds settings. Then click on app volume and device preferences. You will find the applications over here and you have to check if this is not muted. If this is muted, your microphone won't work on these applications. So click on close and check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then open the sound control panel from this. Click on recording and then you will find the microphone. Right click on this and click on show disconnected devices. Currently there are no disconnected devices on this computer, so whatever you are using, click on that device and then click on properties and make sure this device is enabled. Click on OK. So click on OK again. Next troubleshooting method is to right click on the Windows start menu and then click on settings. In the settings type microphone over here, and then you will find this option, choose which apps can access your microphone. Click on this option and then scroll down. You will find these applications are there, and some of the applications are off and some of them are on. Means check if any of the application you are using and that particular application is not able to listen to your voice. Please check that application. Suppose if you are checking for Skype, then make sure this is on and not in an off state. So if it is in an off state, then toggle it on and check if your issue resolves or not. So I hope these many troubleshooting methods would help you out to resolve your issue for the microphone, and you will be able to communicate with your fellow team members. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.